The answer to the title of this video is a solid yes, but hold on, Hoss. You may be wondering why. Well, here's why. So I just drew 3 figures from reference. Anything stand out to you?
Anyone? Anyone?
Nope. Oh, the drawings, they just seem kind of flat. Now for some quick gesture drawing, these aren't that bad. Like I'm using as few lines as possible. They convey the pose really well, but I want to add more depth in order to take my figure drawings to the next level. After watching some of Proko's vids, I realized the importance of being able to draw like spheres, cylinders, and cubes in 3D space. But at first I was like, bruh, I didn't come here to learn how to draw shapes, dude. Like, what the heck is this? Is this Puzzle Place? Blue's Clues? Sesame Street? No. I didn't come here to draw shapes, okay? I came here to draw my childhood crushes. What the fuck? I'm gonna take that part out of the video. In all seriousness though, learning how to draw like forms like a cube in 3D space actually helped me out a lot when it comes to conveying depth in my my drawings. I can use these 3D forms to represent different parts of the body and of course make my figure drawing look you know, 3D. Personally, I think the Robo Bean concept that Proko goes over helped me a lot when it comes to drawing like the torso and the pelvis. By representing them as cubes or boxes, I'm able to kind of understand like how they are positioned in space. Let's do a quick demo. Okay, I got an image of Joker as my reference here. It's honestly not the best reference because I can barely see his limbs because of this goofy fat suit he's wearing, but it'll have to do because of YouTube guidelines and I like Joker. So how would I approach this? I would just first establish the gesture by drawing the head first, and then draw like a curve like this to represent the spine. And I'm exaggerating a bit here, so that means I'm just you know, making this curve like a lot more curvy, for lack of better words. So I got like the gesture, I got like the rhythm, the flow going here. Okay, so I'm gonna establish the Robo Bean next. So I want the torso to be about like this wide. I think due to this camera angle, we'll probably be seeing more of the underside of the box if we're representing the torso with it, that is. Maybe I'll make that a little thinner, so like maybe like this, and draw the underside of the box. All right, next I'm gonna draw the pelvis. So that's gonna be like another box here, and we're gonna be seeing the bottom part of it more because of that camera angle again. We're gonna bring this pelvis down a bit more so there's like a bit more distance from the torso. Okay, I brought the pelvis down a bit more, and I'm just gonna continue that gesture line all the way down here. Maybe make this box a bit more dynamic, just make it a bit more curvier. Now I can just connect the two, just drawing some lines in between right here to represent the belly. All right, so not bad. Nice. I think I got the gesture in there pretty nicely, exaggerated a bit, and I got the Robo Bean in here as well. So now I'm just going to add some volumes to represent the limbs. I'm just gonna make a cylinder for the arm, like right here. Then I'm gonna make another cylinder that's that kind of tapers at the end to represent the forearm. Let's draw in like a quick little sketch for the hands. I forgot I had to erase this part because this cylinder is pointing outwards, so this part will be more visible. Anyways, moving back over to this arm right here. So this part is more visible because of the way the arm is angled. And then I'm just gonna draw in the forearm for this side. Erase this part and just draw in a quick sketch for the hand. Okay, it's coming together. And same thing goes for the legs here. Bada bing, bada boom. There we go. We have a full-fledged figure. I just touched up a few things. I made these edges a bit rounder, and I tried to make sure that the contour lines are actually curved at the edge. So like this, I want to make sure that the contour lines are sort of like doing like this kind of thing, like they're actually curving whenever they make contact with the edge here. So it looks like they're actually wrapping around the form, not just touching the edge and just making it look like just flat. Exercise of the day. Practice drawing figures for 15 to 30 minutes. I found this exercise to be pretty useful because it loosens me up for even more harder tasks in my art routine, and it just helps develop my ability to convey the illusion of depth in my drawings. So make sure you use the process I went over in this video, and make sure you check out Proko's videos. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description below. So if this exercise helps you out, great. If it doesn't, then no, I don't know what to tell you. Anyways, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like, leave a comment, consider subscribing to the channel and hitting the bell so you don't miss a single Man Classic. Got the description for a bunch of fun links. Join the Discord server. That's all I got for you guys today. This is Enderman from Enderman Arts, signing off.